In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your site from staging to live using WP Engine with WordPress, a crucial task for anyone managing a WordPress site. Let's dive in and make this transition as smooth as possible. First, you need to log into your WP Engine dashboard. This is the control center where all the magic happens. Navigate to your browser and type in my.wwpengine.com. Once the web page loads, you'll see a login screen. Enter your credentials and hit the login button to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your staging environment. This is where your site has been sitting, prepared for this very moment. Look for the staging environment section. Click on it, and another window should open, redirecting you to the staging environment's WordPress admin panel. With access to your staging site, you'll want to review all changes made. It's critical to ensure that everything looks good and that the functionalities are meeting your expectations. Go through pages, check the layout, ensure images load correctly, and confirm that everything looks exactly as you want it to appear when it goes live. Once you've reviewed these changes, it's time to take it further by testing all pages, plugins, and forms. Testing is key. Click around the site, try out different features, and make sure everything functions perfectly. Take notes of anything that seems off or needs fixing, as now is the ideal time to correct it. Here's the exciting part. Pushing staging to live. Navigate to the WP Engine dashboard again and click on Copy Staging to Live. A confirmation window will pop up, reminding you that this action will overwrite your live site. Carefully read through it, and if you're confident, check the box indicating that you understand the significance of this action. Next, click on Copy Environment. This step will initiate the copy process from your staging environment to your live site. Note that this may take a few moments, depending on the size and complexity of your site. Patience is a virtue here. Just give it a little time. After the deployment process is complete, it's essential to test your live site. Visit your live domain and go through it carefully. Verify that everything is working as expected. Make sure the content displays correctly, the navigation links function, and all interactive elements respond appropriately. This final check ensures that your site's public-facing version is as refined as the staging environment you just left behind. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your site from staging to live using WP Engine's WordPress interface. By following these steps, you ensure that your site's transition is seamless and that everything works perfectly for your audience. Thank you for joining us today, and happy website managing!